Thank you for watching Dream Spree Studio Yoga. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more yoga and meditation videos. Today's practice is for beginning yoga students, but as always, listen to your body and take modifications as needed.
Hi everybody, my name is Shannon. This is Chappy, and you're watching Dream Spree Studio Yoga. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. We're going to go through a quick 10-minute flow. So let's get started. Go ahead, get in a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Begin to focus on your breathing. Now is a great time to set an intention for your practice, maybe something you'd like to bring forward into the rest of your day, and something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander. And you can go ahead and float your eyes open on your next inhale, or exhale rather. We're going to go ahead and go into cat and cow pose. Okay, Chappy, I got you. Go, buddy, go. All right. So, go ahead and inhale up. Exhale down. Kind of move from side to side, get a little movement going. Hips and shoulders, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's do one more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's come back to center. Now we're going to reach forward with the right arm, back with the left arm, left leg. Just breathe. Make sure you have a long line going from the top of your head all the way back to your foot. Now flip the right hand over. We're going to do knee to nose. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Always remember to keep your shoulder over your hand. Inhale, exhale.
Now take the right arm to the side and the left foot to the other side. Flex the foot. Hold it here for 3 breaths in awkward airplane.
Bring the right hand back forward, left foot back, and bring them both back down to the ground. We're going to start with the other side. Left arm up, right leg back. Hold this for about 3 breaths. Flip the left hand under. We're going to do elbow to knee. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3. Left arm out to the side. Right foot to the side. Flex your foot. Awkward airplane. Bring them both back to center and bring the hand and the leg down to the mat. Now we're going to do some modified sun salutations and modified down dog. So plant the feet behind you. Press up. Be sure and hinge back. You want to hinge back into the hips. And just try to get your heels down. If you can't, that's fine. You can always bend the knee a little to try and press the hips back a little bit more. And pedal the feet out. Always make sure to pull the shoulders down. Don't want to have them up by your ears. Look in between your hands. Bend your knees. Step forward to the front of the mat. Rise all the way up, overhead, tall mountain. Hands to heart center in prayer. Close your eyes for a moment. And bring the attention back to the breath. Inhale, think let. Open your mouth, exhale, go. Big breath. Now inhale, arms up overhead, tall mountain. Exhale down, forward fold. Halfway lift, flat back. Forward fold, step back. Chaturanga, we're going to go from the knees, so drop the knees. Come down, push-up position. Inhale back up. You can stay here or pick up the feet. And if you're here, push back.
And push back into down dog. Pause here for a breath. Look in between your hands.
Step forward. Rise all the way up in tall mountain. Hands to heart center in prayer. We're going to do that again. Inhale up. Exhale down. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale down. Step back into plank. You can drop to your knees. Take your chaturanga. Inhale back up. You always want to keep the shoulders over the hands. Back up. Either you can press back this way and then come up, or just plant your feet.
And press back into down dog. Pause here for a breath. Look in between your hands. Step forward.
Rise all the way up. Hands to heart center in prayer. One more round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold.
Step back.
Chaturanga. Inhale. And exhale.
Take a breath here.
And we'll come down into child's pose. We're going to put the arms behind us. Forehead on the mat. Pause for a few breaths. And press yourself back up to tabletop. Going to go ahead, come into staff pose. You can use a towel or a strap. If you don't have a strap or a flat belt, just use a towel. If you can't reach your feet, you can always put this around your feet. Inhale up tall and exhale forward. You can use the towel or the strap to walk your hands closer to your feet. And with every exhale, you can go forward a little more, just a little more. And maybe you can touch your feet. Inhale back up. Gonna get rid of the towel.
Chappy is ready for Shavasana, and so am I. Or maybe he just wants the towel. Okay, now we're going to roll down to the floor with control.
And give yourself a big hug, because you did awesome. And exhale into Shavasana. Let it all go. Relax from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. If you have more time, you can stay here in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Otherwise, go ahead and make some small movements with the toes and fingers. Move the ankles and wrists. Reach out long and stretch. Roll over to one side in the fetal position, or just go ahead and push yourself all the way up and come back into a comfortable seat. Float your eyes shut one more time. You can scan your body, see how it feels differently than when you began. And thank yourself for taking the time out of your day to do a little something good for you. Bring your hands to heart center and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in Chappy today. If you like the video and you'd like to take more yoga videos at home, please like and subscribe. I put up more videos every week. You guys take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you next time.